Good morning. We are starting miscellaneous exercise 3. Question first is prove that 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 equal. We are getting here 2 cos A cos B term. There are two ways we can use this is 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Or we can use cos C plus cos A in last two terms. Choice is yours. So what I am going to do is 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 and I am using cos C plus cos D formula. 2 cos 3 pi by 13 plus 5 pi by 13 upon 2 cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos 3 pi by 13 minus 5 pi by 13 upon 2. So this is 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2 cos 8 pi upon 38 pi upon 2 into 13 cos 3 pi minus 5 pi by minus 2 pi upon 2 into 13 2 cancel and cos minus theta is plus cos theta. So 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 2 4s are cos 4 pi by 13 and cos minus theta is plus cos theta cos pi by 13. So what is common here? 2 cos pi by 13 is common, cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. Now again this is cos C plus cos D form. 2 cos pi by 13 cos C plus cos D is 2 cos 9 pi by 13 plus 4 pi by 13 upon 2. I am using cos C plus cos D formula. Cos 9 pi by 13 minus 4 pi by 13 upon 2. So this is 2 cos pi by 13 2 cos 9 pi 4 pi 13 pi by 13 into 2 cos 9 minus 4 5 pi by 13 into 2. This is cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90. So 2 2s are 4 cos pi by 13 cos 90 is 0 into cos 5 pi by 26. So complete result will be 0, that is RHS. So we have done first question of miscellaneous. Now I am doing question number 2 of miscellaneous. LHS is sin 3x sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos a into cos, and we have to prove 0. So I am using sin C plus sin D formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 into sin x, and here cos C minus cos D formula I am taking minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 into cos x. So this is what 2 cos 2 sin 2x because 3x plus x upon 2 and cos 3x minus x 2x upon 2x is x into sin x minus 2 sin 2x sin 3x minus x 2x upon 2 is x and cos x. You can see 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x, sin x cos x, sin x. Terms are same, plus and minus sign is there. So we can cancel it. So this is 0 equal to RHS. Very simple question. Only thing is you have to apply the formula. Now miscellaneous third question is LHS is cos x plus cos y whole square sin x minus sin y whole square, and here 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 we have to prove. So I am taking LHS. This is trigonometry. So we give importance to trigonometry. We will not use algebra formula. That then question will become easier for us. So apply cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. And here sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So this is 4 cos square x plus y by 2 cos square x minus y by 2. Whole square means 2 square 4 cos square and cos square. And here 2 square is 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 sin square x minus y upon 2. Now what is common? 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 common. We are getting cos square x minus y upon 2 plus sin square x minus y upon 2. Cos square theta and this is sin square theta. Theta angle is same. So this will become 1. So 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 and this bracket is 1. So 4 cos square x plus y upon 2, that is RHS. So as I told you, use proper formula. Trigonometry is very easy. Now question number 6. Already he has given 4 pair. We have to apply formula sin c plus sin d here, sin c plus sin d here, cos c plus cos d here, cos c plus cos d here. We have to prove tan 6x. So LHS is applying sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and in this bracket sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and in denominator cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2, and fourth bracket again apply cos c plus cos d, 2 cos 9x plus 3x upon 2 cos 9x minus 3x upon 2, 2 sin, this is 12x upon 2 6x cos 7 minus 5, 2x upon 2 is cos x, 2 sin 6x cos 9 minus 3 6x upon 2 3x, 2 cos 6x cos 7 minus 5 2x upon 2 is cos x plus 2 cos 9 plus 3 12 upon 2 6x cos 9 minus 3 6x upon 2 3x. So what is common? 2 sin 6x common in numerator, cos x plus cos 3x, and in denominator 2 cos 6x common, so cos x plus cos 3x. These two bracket cancels, 2 cancel, so we can write tan 6x. Sin 6x upon cos 6x is tan 6x, that is equal to RHS. Now 7th question is sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. So we have to rearrange. As I told you, before applying sin c plus sin d, you have to see that c plus d by 2 value are you getting in next third term. So 3 plus 2 5x upon 2 we are not getting here. So we can rearrange. What we can do is sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x. We can rearrange term. Now apply sin c minus sin d here. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, and sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. So this is what 2 cos 3x plus x 4x upon 2x is 2x, and sin 3x minus x 2x upon 2x is x plus 2 sin x cos x. So what is common? 2 sin x is common, cos 2x plus cos x, apply cos c plus cos d formula in bracket. So 2 sin x cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So this is 2 sin x into 2 cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2. So 2 2s are 4 sin x cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2, that is equal to RHS. Okay, so what we have done is we are using only basic formulae. Okay, so if you do this in proper way, apply proper formulae, you will get correct result. Only thing is, whichever formula you are using, like here cos c plus cos d we are using, so you give side reason what is cos c plus cos d formula. Okay, here you are writing cos pi by 2 is 0. So whenever side reason is required, it is compulsory to give. Okay, and here also whichever formula you are applying, sin c plus sin d, sin c means side reason should give, and try to give correct and good explanation and learn all the formulae. If your all the formulas are on tips, you can do trigonometry very well. Thank you.